Okay guys, I really don't like to talk about my family, but sometimes what this is how I'm living right now, and they usually put the dryer next to the fridge and all the stuffs to create that effect of air drying that is not very healthy. And then yeah, don't put the dryer next to the fridge because the heat, if you put detergent I passed through it guys, if you put detergents in the heat dryer, it's gonna get into the fridge and it's going to poison the food, so be aware of that.